Hello, dear friend. My name is Ana Victoria Estorvilla. I'm 39 years old. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. I studied psychology. I am going to present the following exercises. Using the present perfect continuous answers the following question. Have you been working for the same company for more than 5 years? Where have you been working? Yes, I had been working for the last year at the Norrachel company. Have you been exercising in the last year? What kind of exercise do you practice? Yes, I had been exercising for the past year. I had been practicing cycling. Complete each sentence with the correct phrasal verb. I'm going to the bath, drinking beer. And so far that I can't see my feet anymore. Rafat taking out photography. He's just bought one of the latest and most expensive digital camera. I don't know how my wife sat with me. I drink too much. I am a bad husband and I'm a terrible person to live with. If you don't right way, miss the train. Transfer these sentences into repeated speech. Sarah asks, "Are you busy tonight?" Sarah asked me if I was busy that night. I am working in a hospital, she said. She said that she was working in a hospital. We made a great dinner last night, he said. He said that they had made a great dinner the night before. Thank you.